Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Use one reliable, repeatable sequence to get runny yolks every time. Place room temperature eggs into a pot with cold water covering them by 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat, then immediately reduce to a gentle simmer and start a 6-minute timer for medium-small eggs. Add 6 to 7 minutes for very large eggs. When the timer ends, transfer eggs to an ice bath for 3 minutes to stop cooking and firm whites while preserving runny yolks. Start with eggs in a single layer in the pot and just enough cold water to cover them by 1 inch. Heat to a rolling boil, then immediately lower heat so bubbles subside to a gentle simmer. Do not maintain a full aggressive boil. Set a precise 6-minute timer for runny yolks. Add or subtract 30 seconds based on egg size or altitude. When the timer ends, remove eggs with a slotted spoon into an ice bath for 3 minutes to halt cooking and ease peeling. After the 3-minute ice bath, gently crack shells and peel eggs under cool running water to rinse away fragments and protect the delicate yolk. Serve immediately warm for best texture. If not, cool completely and refrigerate at 40 degrees F or below and use within 2 days. To reheat without overcooking, immerse peeled eggs in hot tap water for 30-60 seconds until slightly warmed. Do not microwave whole eggs or they may burst.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.